Welcome to online classes from Monbretia School as I'm English teacher. So today I'm going to take English grammar of class 2. Let's start the class. As we have completed chapter 4, the parts of a sentence. So today we will do the exercise. We were doing the exercise. We will do the revision very fast. Okay, first tell me what is a sentence? A group of words arranged in proper order to make complete sense is called a sentence. Very good. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. Very good. A sentence ends with a full stop. Yes, correct. Very good, student. I hope so you have also said. Now, the parts of a sentence. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. So, what is subject? In a sentence, the person or thing we speak about is called the subject, whereas the predicate in a sentence, what is said about the subject is called the predicate. I hope so you have understood as I have taught you earlier. So now today we will do the exercise, okay? Now we will do the exercise. Page number 16, exercise A. What written? Let's see. Divide the following sentences into subject and predicate. What the first given? Let's see. Birds fly with their wings. So student, first of all, what is this? This is a sentence. Why? Because as a group of words arranged in proper order, and giving us complete sense. So this is a sentence only. According to the definition of sentence is what? A group of words arranged in proper order to make complete sense is called a sentence, and is fulfilling it. Start with capital letter, end with full stop. Now we have to divide into subject and predicate as the subject has two parts. So here what will be the subject? As according to the definition, in a sentence we speak about, the person or thing we speak about is called subject. So here what we speak about? Birds. So birds will be subject. Fly with their wings. According to the definition of predicate, what is said about the subject is called the predicate in a sentence. So here fly with their wings, saying about birds. So fly with their wings will be predicate. So right student, birds will be subject, fly with their wings, full stop, predicate. And one more thing, write with good handwriting, neat and clean, okay? When the regular class will start, I am going to check. So write with very good handwriting. Second one you write. Second one see first. The Ganga is a holy river. So as a subject we are speaking about the Ganga. So the Ganga will be the subject. Is a holy river. So who is the holy river? The Ganga. So what the subject predicate will be? As the Ganga will be the subject, so predicate will be is a holy river. Right. Second you write the Ganga will be the subject. In subject, after where the subject is written, after that you write the Ganga. And where predicate is written, there you write is a holy river, full stop. Written. Third one, Ravi is an engineer. Subject. As already I have taught you, subject is what? The person or thing we speak about. So Ravi will be the subject. And talking is an engineer. Who is an engineer? Ravi. Correct? So what we'll do? In predicate we write is an engineer, full stop. After every predicate give full stop. Okay? Fourth one. Children are making a lot of noise. First of all, in this sentence we have to say children is what? A person or thing we speak about. इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Automatic become subject है ना, जिसके बारे में बात करते हैं that is only the subject. Simple, very simple, you have to learn. Okay? तो ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? Subject. Now predicate are making a lot of noise. आर मेकिंग ए लॉट ऑफ नॉइज क्या हो जाएगा? किसके? हु मेकिंग ए लॉट ऑफ नॉइज? चिल्ड्रन. तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द चिल्ड्रन. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रेडिकेट, what is said about the subject is called the predicate. So are making a lot of noise will be predicate, full stop. Again you see subject birds, predicate, right? Fly with their wings, full stop. Sorry, it is birds. Subject birds. Number second, subject the Ganga. Predicate is a holy river. Third one, subject Ravi. Predicate is an engineer. Fourth one, children. Subject predicate are making a lot of noise, full stop. I hope you have written with good handwriting. Your homework is to revise the chapter and first read the exercise A and learn it. Okay, till then stay home, stay safe.